Hey guys! In this video, I will show you how to enable Google Authenticator on Gate.io. Alright, let's begin. First, open Gate.io and tap the three lines in the top left corner. Then tap your profile icon and navigate to the Security tab. From there, select the Authenticator option. If you haven't installed Google Authenticator yet, download it, then return and select I have already downloaded. Next, complete the identity verification process to proceed securely. Once verified, a QR code and a setup key will appear on your screen. Copy the setup key, then open Google Authenticator and tap the plus icon to add a new account. Choose the option to enter a setup key, paste the copied key, and name it Gate.io. After saving, a 6-digit verification code will be generated inside the app. Copy this code, return to Gate.io, and paste it into the required field to finish the setup. So that's basically how you can enable Google Authenticator on Gate.io. That's it for this video. Thanks.